So I don't know what spiderweb cotton candy would taste like, and I don't know what watermelon cotton candy would taste like, other than just watermelon. But let's try these. I was gonna do two separate reviews, but decided to just do one, just because. Why not? First one we're gonna try is the cotton candy. This is new. Got these both at Dollar Tree the other day. Smells like permanent marker. That smells like permanent marker. Sorry about the noise, it's the lawnmower outside. I mean, it kind of sort of tastes like watermelon. There's a slight taste of watermelon, but not really. So this is the CHARMS Fluffy Stuff Spiderweb Cotton Candy. Sour apple. Man, this doesn't even look like cotton candy. This kind of looks like the stuffing out of my pillow. Wow, that's actually good. But that's sweet. Wow. My rating would be 3 out of 5. I mean, cotton candy is really sweet, but I just wanted to try these to see if they're actually worth it, but not really. I'm not a big fan of cotton candy. Like the fresh cotton candy is the best, but like the store-bought cotton candy just tastes too sugary. And that's the same thing with these. They're way too sugary. So give them a 3 out of 5. Give them a fair rating, but not give them an excellent rating of 5 out of 5 because they're not like, they're dollar store cotton candy. What are you expecting? But they're still, I mean, they could have been a little bit more better, a little bit more flavored. It just tastes like sugar. But that's what cotton candy is, it's sugar. But fresh cotton candy actually tastes a little bit better, to be honest. Like the ones you get at the fair or something. But 3 out of 5 for these. Fair rating. Thanks for watching. Peace.